Hello everyone. So I got this huge package from MakeItByMarko, and Amanda Fitter, sorry if I don't say that right, she was so kind to reach out to me and ask if there was anything that I wanted from MakeItByMarko. And so the items I picked were the Mega Clutter Keeper, and I chose the Ballerina Brush Caddy, the Peacock Blender Brush Caddy, an AT gun holder, and a large tier glue. Also a Lazy Susan spinner and some desk multiplier add-ons. So I'm super grateful, and now I can be organized. This color is called the mid-century teal. They have so many colors on their Etsy store, so I will be sure to link everything. And these, I believe, are the desk multiplier add-ons, and you can slide those in. Everything was wrapped so beautifully, so it was like my birthday. I had to unwrap each and every one of these items, so that's amazing. So thank you, made my day. These are some phone clips, and that was so nice. I got 2 of those, and my son, I gave one to my 10-year-old son. He wanted one. He thought it was really cool. And it is really cool. So look at all these holders I have for my brushes, and I cannot be more excited because I have so many blending brushes, and I'm just showing you like 1 or 2 here and there. But I have so many, and like now I can have them all on my desk, which is amazing because sometimes I go to my other desk and grab a brush, and when you're doing a project, sometimes you just want everything right there in your hands. And so this, I believe, is another like a desk add-on, and I am just grabbing a few things to put in there to show you. I have some glue. I put a Copic marker in there and a bone folder. So I love that I can be organized, and their 3D printing is so amazing and durable, and it's just so fun when you can get what you want and the color that you want it. So there's like purple and pink, and it was just so hard, but I'm really into teal. And this is the Lazy Susan spinner, and you get this inside piece for it as well. It's like a plastic clear piece, so I'm not sure if I put that in there right now, but I think it's wrapped, and then later I find it. So I love that, but there's also tape on the bottom of that one, I think, and you can just put it on your desk and it won't move, so that's great. Or maybe it's not on the bottom of this one. I think it's on the bottom of the Peacock Blender Brush Caddy or the Ballerina Brush Caddy. I get confused, but like I said, I will put everything, and once you see the pictures, then you'll know what I'm talking about. So here is another add-on, and they will slide into each other, and you can choose which way you want to put it on your desk. So you can put it like that. Right now I chose to put mine sideways to make more room for all the other pieces. So I have it like that, sideways. Whoops, not like turning around like that, but I just wanted you to see everything. And you can put it, probably put it on your wall maybe. I can't put much on my wall because I have a big TV up above, so that's where I watch my YouTube videos mostly. And then I just put my alcohol blender tool there, or not blender, alcohol. What are they? I can't think of them. My alcohol inks. And so this is the Mega Clutter Keeper, and it's so amazing. Right now I just grabbed some paper, some cardstock to put in there, and I think foam tape and Misty but I also was able to put my mini paper trimmer in there. And I did put my scoreboard in there as well, so I thought that's so neat to have that on your desk, because usually I have it on my other desk. Like I have three other desks in my room, so I like that I'm trying to show you a different angle but I love that I can keep all this stuff on my one desk that I mostly do my videos on. And so I'm unwrapping another item here, and this is the ATG gun holder holster. So isn't that great? So you can just put your ATG gun, and now I have it on my desk, and I never had it on my desk before. So sometimes most of the time I use my glue, liquid glue, and I'm going to put my Barely Art glue in there later. But so now I have different types of glue on my desk, and also in that Mega Clutter Keeper I did put some other foam strips in there, so I feel like I have like every glue on my desk now. It's like I cannot express how excited I am. And so I grabbed those add-ons. They are the desk multiplier add-ons, and you can put your pins in there. So I did end up putting a lot of my watercolor pins in there, and I put like a spray, like a water spray, and I just love all these pieces here, and I'm going to show you all of them. Try and show you all of them. There's so many, and yeah, my video wouldn't capture everything at one time here, but maybe if I stood far away. But I just wanted to give you an idea of how excited I was during this unboxing, and I can't wait to be organized forever now. So I hope you enjoyed everything. I believe I'm going to grab one more item. So thank you. I appreciate it so much, Make It by Marco and Amanda, for reaching out to me and giving me all these ideas and ways to use all my brushes, since I stencil all the time. And so this one is I think it's the peacock. Oh no, it's not the peacock. It is the ballerina brush caddy. So thank you again, and have a wonderful day.